Welcome back to Garitech Interior Design. So thank you for the support that you are showing on to this channel. Road to 5K subscribers. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. So as you can see here, if you want to invest in real estate, so here is a small house to plan that may help you. Maybe if you want to invest in a real house estate, you can just use our house plan, and then even measurement will give you up to all. So there are three rooms, and then each room there are three doors. You can see the first one is there, the second and the third one is there. So each house it has two bedroom, a sitting room, and a kitchen, and then it has only a single master bedroom, which is an ensuite. So let's just come in, and then I show you how this house is beautiful made. So the first one, as you can see, is there, and the second one and the third one is here. So as you can see in the exterior work, we didn't just do those molding work. We just did this a simple style. So due to, let's say, like a financial problem, so that made us to do like this. So and then we installed there a sand breakers, as you can see. And then we didn't always we do maybe we consider putting here a sliding window, but due to Evans' financial stability, so the owner did not manage to accommodate those sliding window. So this is the first house. So let me take you inside, and then I show you. As you can see, this is the door that enters towards this sitting room. As you can see, this is our sitting room, guys. As you can see, it's just big. This is a rental house. No need to put just a big house, a big sitting room. As you can see, it's just quite simple. Let's say, even if you come to stay here, we have already provided you a provision for the sockets. As you can see, there is here, and the other one is over there, and then there is an aerial antenna over there. So on this side, this is our first bedroom. As you can see, you may just accommodate, can just accommodate maybe, let's say, like children's visitors. Even if you are single, you can just host this for your visitors. As you can see, it has just a single window, and then we have already provided the sockets over here. As you can see, for even your visitors that are in the room, they have provision for lighting, for socket, and then there's a provision here for lighting. So let me take you to the master bedroom. So guys, as you can see, this is our master bedroom. It is ensuite. So initially, the owner suggested, so he didn't just want a toilet on this house. So, but after maybe acquiring maybe advice from one another, and then so he decided later to put a toilet inside. So as you can see, we have just built our toilet, as you can see. So we didn't just make a big thing due to the space over here. So it could not it could not accommodate us so that to have a big toilet. But this for rent also, it will just be fair to this whoever will be using this room. So as you can see, this is our toilet. We have already done. I think we did it yesterday. So it has two windows. The first one is there, and the second one is over there. So there is a provision for the socket, as always, and then a provision for the sitting room. So let me take you to the kitchen. As you can see, this is our kitchen, a very simple one. This is a quite simple. As you can see, this is a working table. As you can see, we have already done. So it's just touch up that you are still doing, as you can see. So here, this is a provision for the sink. The plumber will come and then fix here the sink, as you can see. So here there is a socket that we have provided here. So maybe you have a blender or a roaster, bread roaster, anything that maybe you need to use while on using this worktop. We have provided a socket. So this is a socket for fridge. You can put here your fridge, and then even here this is a provision for the cooker. So you can come and place here your cooker when you are cooking. So you can place here, and then you can place here your, how do you call it, the gas. So as you can see, the kitchen is not just much big, but it's quite enough for the one for one that you whenever you are, let's say you have a two, you have maybe two children and a senior and you and your spouse. So this one it doesn't need a much bigger house. So let me take you to the second house. Yet is just the same as this one, but it always have some. See, it doesn't have the same features as the one that you are in. So this is our second house, as you can see. But the first one, it didn't have this a small corridor that enters towards this room. So it was just you come in and then you enter towards the sitting room. But this one is a small provision over here for the entrance towards the sitting room. As you can see, this is our sitting room. I think this is the biggest sitting room. This is the biggest sitting room as compared to the first room. So as you can see, it's just big enough. It can accommodate up to a 7-seater or 9-seater whichever way you will plan your seat. So this is our sitting room. So let me take you first to the kitchen. As you can see, this is our kitchen, and then as you can see here, we didn't just do. We always normally use the wooden to for the door, but here the owner suggested that we use this metallic. So if you use this one, it has a longer lifespan than when you use a wooden one. So as you can see, this is our kitchen, and then even just is bigger as compared to the first one. So as you can see, this is our laptop, and then this is our sink. The sink will be over here, and then here will be our cooker. Always we have provided the provision for the gas there, and then this one space for maybe you have many things. You can just come and put them here. It can maybe look like a storage unit over here, and then this is a socket over that we always put at the top of the worktop, and then here we have our socket for fridge. So as always, there is no need to put a closer range for within a fridge and a gas. It always have a problem. So it's quite advisable to just put at least a bit distance those two due to the difference of gases. So this is the first bedroom of this house. As you can see, the measurements just the same as the first one. And then it also has a single window. As you can see, it's just big. You can accommodate maybe 3 or 4. Let's say 3. 3 will be enough beds onto this side. So this is a provision here of the provision for sockets. As you can see, it's just there, and then here is a provision for the lighting for this room. And then let me take you to this master bedroom for this second house. So as you can see, this is our master bedroom. As I told you earlier, the owner will get advice somewhere, so we consider putting a toilet inside the house. But at first, he didn't not want. Maybe let's say like the finance, the total sum for the construction that they provided. It didn't. The quote was not with the toilet. And then here, I didn't show you the other room. It always have a scrapping. So for the maybe the owner as per my thinking, the bed will be, let's say, will look like this. So here we have provided a bedside socket. So maybe you have bedside lights. You can use this socket is over there, and then there's a strapper here. When you come from the main entrance, you can come and strap over here. You can put it off over while you are asleep, or you can put it on but when you are awake over there. So up to there, guys, consider subscribing, and I will appreciate you so much. So let me take you to the second, to the third, to the third, to the third house. So as I told you earlier, it's just the same, but the features is not there as the same as to the other one. So this is our third house. As you can see, this maybe I can say just uh, when you compare to the first house, this is the same house. It is just like the same design. As you can see, it's just, let's say it's the same size. So we have provided a socket over here, and then there is a socket for TV over there. There is the first, and then the second one, and then the TV antenna is over here. So let's, this is our master bedroom. So as you can see, the same size as compared to the other two houses. The same design, nothing different. The toilet we have just installed yesterday. As you can see, the progress is still ongoing. They've installed there our strapping. So whenever you come, okay, we have just placed there a strapping and then a bedside socket over there. So our plan is that the owner maybe will come and then put the bed over here, so as to maybe to access that switch easily, and then to access even the socket when maybe his phone or her phone is off, you can charge over there. There's a provision for an extra socket over here. We always do a double socket, guys. We normally use double socket for maybe, if you have a single socket, you maybe put a single socket, it will limit you for maybe your gadgets, to use gadgets. Maybe you have a two phone and then a laptop, so there's no need to buy an extension. So we always put there a double socket. So maybe in this house there's four, let's say, sockets, maybe four sockets. So if you have a two phone and then a laptop, you can both use them. There's no need for maybe acquiring an extension. So this is the second bedroom, as you can see. Okay, the floor, as you can see, guys, show them the floor, it has already been done, as you can see. As you can see, guys, it's quite, it's almost flat. And then I think it was almost yesterday even. As you can see, it's not yet dried up. So this is our window for this room, and there is a socket over there, and then this is our provision for the light. So guys, this is our kitchen. As you can see, this is our kitchen, guys. This is our kitchen, banana. And then as you can see, it's just as you compare to the other two houses. This kitchen is just quite small as you compare to the other one, due to maybe the measurements and then the house plan that was designed it. So as you can see, this is our kitchen. So this is our working top. As you can see, this is our sink. Our sink will be over here, and then our low level our low level will be over there, and then maybe later our high level cabinet will be just over there. So these are provision for the fridge, and then the other side we have provision for the cooker. So guys, up to there, I will just will make me road to 5K subscribers, guys. Kindly, that's a beg. I beg you. So let's continue subscribing. Let's meet on the next video. Bye bye.